Lower prices, fewer devices. How Car Keys Express award-winning products cover twice your customers with half the SKUs. In this video, we'll look at how technological changes in car keys forced retailers out of the replacement key business. We'll show you how we at Car Keys Express exploited these changes, creating universal products that gave us a competitive advantage in the mobile key replacement industry. Lastly, we'll show you how those same universal products are now opening doors for retailers to finally re-enter this multi-billion-dollar industry. Today, most retailers have abandoned selling car keys, and the few that still do struggle. Why? Over the years, car makers have released hundreds of different keys. The sheer number of SKUs retailers had to stock to keep up became unsustainable, and most gave up. That's when we started Car Keys Express Mobile Key Replacement. At a time when others failed, we grew into a nationwide company, fast. So how did we succeed when so many struggled? Let's start here in one of our inventory rooms. To cover all types of vehicles in North America, we stock over 2,000 SKUs. To beat our competition in the mobile space, we decided to make our own keys. We did this for two reasons. First, we wanted to make them universal, so we could stock the best selection. Second, we wanted to offer lower prices by eliminating the middlemen. It worked. We drastically lowered our SKU count while gaining an unbeatable pricing advantage. Inventing the world's first universal car remotes and universal car keys was a huge achievement, and leaders in the auto parts industry took notice. When we launched our universal products at Apex, the industry's premier event, we won by popular vote the highly coveted Best New Product Award, not once, but twice. Here's our universal Ford key. This one key replaces all 28 of Ford's OEM remote keys, covering 29 million vehicles on the road today. This is our universal General Motors key. This one replaces all 28 of GM's keys and covers 6 million vehicles. This is our universal car remote. It replaces over 200 keyless entry remotes, covering 21 car makers and 77 million vehicles. We have a full line of universal versions of remote keys and smart keys for most major brands. These universal products launched us to the top of our industry, and because of them, we're still growing fast, winning Inc. magazine's Inc. 5000 award, recognizing America's fastest growing companies 5 years in a row. So enough about us. What does all this mean for you, the retailer? We're taking these same breakthrough products that made Car Keys Express the global leader in automotive key replacement, and we're putting them into retail stores. So how many Car Keys Express products should you stock? First, keep in mind that our competitors who supply retailers use traditional OEM replacement products, which are not universal, so they only cover a small fraction of their customers' vehicles. Even the most committed retailers only cover about 20% of their customers. With Car Keys Express, stocking just 12 products covers an amazing 50% of your customers. If you wanted to cover that many of your customers with OEM products, you need to stock all of these. Car Keys Express is the only company that lets you stock a handful, not a roomful. Universal products made us the world's largest key replacement company. Now, you can make them your fastest growing category. It's easy. Let's go.